Alright, Josh Cohen, where are we going?
It's Rolling Penny's 5th birthday. We're gonna go have some drinks, get some food, and see what's happening tonight. Where you go with?
Pork Toulouse. Oh, pork Toulouse. That's some French piggers. Jack cheese. Big speck. Oh, a big speck? Oh my god, alright then. You're spoiling us. Zucchini. Blimey. I want it all.
I want it all. Delicious.
Alright, all done, mate. The verdict.
Beautiful as always.
And we're still waiting for another burger, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. We just had 3, now we're getting another one.
Gotta keep that penny rolling.
Gotta keep that penny rolling, baby.
And here is that second serving. Oh, look at that drip. Whoa! Whoa, that is... It's kind of beautiful. You know, Niagara Falls